Hi, Tom here. In this week's drawing, I'll show you one way to draw an old oak tree. You could start this drawing by drawing the base of an old tree trunk, then add some simple textural details, and then add some soft shading over the top. And then you can continue the drawing by extending the shapes of the branches in interesting ways to create a sense of balance and tension within the tree. And each time you extend the shapes of the branches to some extent, then remember to add a little bit of indication of some texture and then some shading over the top. As you progress with the drawing, branches will divide and sort of fork out into shapes which you can make interesting. By adding the tones of the branches as we go along, we can control the tonal values of the tree. Eventually, you can create a sort of lattice work of branches. This drawing is based on the angel oak tree in South Carolina, which is, I think, around 400 years old. When drawing an old oak tree or any old tree, there are so many interesting shapes. So as you're drawing, you can consider the positive shapes that the tree and its branches are creating, but they're also creating shapes behind them, the background shapes, which are negative shapes. Think about how we can balance the positive and the negative shapes, the shapes of the tree and the shapes in between the tree, to create a satisfying drawing. If you'd like to learn more about how to draw from scratch, please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com, where you'll find full details of my online drawing courses for beginners. I hope you find this drawing useful. If you'd like to see the longer version, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School, to keep up to date with all the content that I create. Thanks for watching and see you next time.